Hello everyone. Welcome to Walking Frames Productions Private Limited. Today, we're going to show you how to work with keys in After Effects. First, go to the toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Next, go to the shape layer and select rectangle. To round your shape, set the roundness to about 79. Adjust the size until it fits perfectly in the frame. To duplicate the shape, press Ctrl D. Now, select the ellipse tool and create a circle. Fill in the color and set the anchor point to position the circle within the rectangle. Duplicate the shape layer. And then set a keyframe. And drag them to the first frame. Then move the current time indicator to the next frame. Apply another key. Now you can see basic animation in the linear key. Select another circle. And press P to adjust the position. Go to Keyframes and add a keyframe. Select both keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Now you can see the animation, making the animation smoother compared to linear keys. Next, I'll show you the difference between Easy Ease In and Easy Ease Out. I've already created both shapes. I will make them shape layer unhide. Now add a keyframe. Now unhide another shape layer. And add a keyframe. Then add another key. To apply Easy Ease In, press Shift F9. For Easy Ease Out, press Ctrl Shift F9. With Easy Ease In, the animation starts fast and ends slowly, while with Easy Ease Out, the animation starts slowly and ends fast. Now you can see the difference between both keys. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more creative content, tips, and inspiration, follow Walking Frames Production Private Limited. Stay tuned and keep creating.